Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today it's just gonna be me and you one-on-one. I want to know some information, all right? So for me, you see, I have $29,000 right now in the stock market. Plus, if you look at here, I have equity 27,000, right? Then I have crypto 2,000, and I'm using 15,000 on margin, right? 15,000, so a little bit more than 50%. And I basically have no cash on the side. That's basically what it means. I'm 100% invested plus 15,000. So I have quite a bit of money in the stock market. I want to know how much you guys are invested. Are you guys 100% invested? Are you guys 70% invested with 30% cash, no margin? I want to know if you guys are on margin. Just let me know down in the comments how you guys are doing it. And if you don't want to share, don't share, right? I'm just showing you guys. I'm 100% transparent with you guys. And I want to know something, all right? Okay. So what my plan is for this year, once I can do my taxes, I'm waiting for Robinhood to give me my information. I'm waiting. I think it said that by February we'll be doing it, so a couple more days. Hopefully, it'll send out the information so I can do my taxes, so I can pay my taxes, and then boom, I can start saving up cash to get my margin down to below 30%. That is my goal. That is my goal, to get my margin below 30%. So I'm gonna have to put in about 5K to get my margin under 30%. And then the money after that, I'm gonna slowly use that margin, but I'm gonna be stacking my cash in my savings account. And then whenever the stock market start going down or I get on a margin call, I'll be able to deploy the money that I have in my checkings into my portfolio to obviously get rid of the margin call, right? Because that's what messed me up last year. I was on margin heavy. I think I was 100%. I had like 100% on margin. Once the stock market started crashing, boom, Tesla crashed my portfolio. I was up so much until it just came crashing down. And this time I'm going to prepare for this starting now. Starting now, I'm going to prepare for this because I do not want the same thing to happen. That's basically all my progress for this year gone. Okay? That's my progress. My progress for this year. See, this is what happened. Boom, because of the margin. Don't want that to happen. We don't want that to happen, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stack my cash up, and I'm going to start investing in these beautiful companies. Neo, beautiful. Afria, beautiful. Jumia, beautiful. Shopify, beautiful. Corsair Gaming, beautiful. Tesla, MP, Dropbox, Beyond Me, IIPR. I got some crypto right there, just in case. I'm going to get 10% crypto. I'm showing you guys my goals, all right? The goal to get to $50,000 invested in the stock market. Right now, I'm at $29,000. All right, of my own money plus the margin. I want to get rid of my margin slowly over time, because right now 2.5% on borrowed money, they're basically giving you money for free. The only downside about the margin is once the stock market starts going down, and that's when it gets bad. That's when you go on margin call, and that's when they force you to sell stocks at a loss, most likely, because that's when the crash is coming. Boom. And that's why we need to be prepared for that. Okay, so if you guys are on margin, remember, I'm no financial advisor. I'm just telling you guys what's in my head, what I'm thinking, like personally. I'm basically talking to myself right now. If you're on margin, which I am, cut that off. Slowly cut it off. Put cash in. Start getting cash heavier. Cash heavier. The markets are kind of expensive, in my opinion. Markets are starting to get expensive. Be careful, because whenever any correction, you gotta be ready to start putting money in. Whenever there's a correction, that's the best time to buy. Look at this, Neo. Let's look at the Neo 1 year. Boom, from 14 bucks, went $14 or $15 all the way back to 11 bucks. That's a buying opportunity. Then it goes up all the way to 20 bucks. It goes down all the way to 17. Buying opportunity goes up 28, goes down a little bit to 25, I believe. 25, 24, 20. It goes down, right? Whatever, doesn't matter what, just buy. Goes up all the way to about 55. It goes down to 40. Buying opportunity. It keeps going up. These beautiful companies that are doing well, you see the same things: up, down, buy, up, down, buy, up, down, buy. Doesn't matter. It goes up. The companies are doing well. They're increasing revenue. They're bidding revenue. They're bidding on profits. If not, they're getting closer to the profitability. Their margins are good. They are going to be going up if they're good companies. And I believe my batch of companies are going to do well into the future. Unless any correction happens, that's going to slowly stop the increase of the prices. But even after that, they're going to come back up. over time they're going to come back up and they're going to do well. And that's why I'm going to be invested in these companies, and I need to get my margin down. Gonna get my margin down to below 30%, stack my cash. I don't want to have that much cash on the side because right now cash is trash in my opinion. Cash, they're putting out more and more cash. Cash is going to slowly lose its value more faster actually than it has been done before. Because guess what? There's been so much printing. I think 20-25% of all money created has been done in just this last year. Plus, they're going to print more money. Cash is going to be trash. If you're working and you're not investing, your money is getting more useless over time, and that's why you need to be invested. Yeah, you have a little bit of an emergency and whatever, right? Emergency fund, whatever, right? But most of the money should be in cash. I have like a little bit of money in my checkings or savings account, just enough to so I have a month or two just in case. But that's gonna change. I'm gonna start once I'm done with my taxes. I'm all my money straight into the stock market. We need to increase our freaking wealth, baby. We want to get this. We want to double our wealth. That's my goal. 50K plus this year. 50K plus this year. 100K plus. Hopefully sooner. 2 years, less than 2 years. Hopefully, then 250, then a million, as fast as possible. But we want to have that sustainable wealth, and that's why I'm investing in these companies. I believe these companies can double, triple, quadruple, 5x, 10x eventually, as long as they can keep putting in the numbers. And Neo, come on, Neo. If you don't believe Neo won't hit $100 to $200 to $300 in the next 5 years, then basically you're telling me that the EV market is gonna fail. That's basically what you're telling me. And Neo in China, come on, man. Oh my God, China. Neo is gonna be one of the big dogs in China. China is the biggest EV market in the world, and it's a home. It's basically a company that was made in China. It's gonna be promoted more over there. Come on, if you don't think Tesla is going to be worth more, Tesla's more than a freaking car company. Wait till they start doing their taxi networks. Wait till Tesla starts putting more solar roofs, their energy business. Oh my God. I'm telling you, invest in the stock market. Do your own due diligence, all right? Make your money work for you. Make your money work for you, all right? We are trying to become rich in the stock market, all right? And long term is the game for me, all right? Trading, I don't believe in day trading. I don't know if you guys are good in day trading. You know what? Who am I to tell you what to do, right? I'm no expert in day trading. I've never tried to day trade, and I don't want to try to day trade. I believe that's freaking stressful, man. Me, I put my money in the stocks and I leave them alone. Whatever. The market goes down, I go down to 25,000 to 20K. Doesn't matter. It doesn't bother me. All right, doesn't bother me. The only thing that I'm worried about is making more money to put it into the stock market, to buy these stocks. Whenever I see some red, you see percentages, when you see a stock going down, like for me, I see a stock going down more than 3%, I need to buy it, man. I need to buy it. But right now, I have no money. That's why I need to make more money. And that's why after I'm done with my taxes, I'm going to put the money in the stock market, in the best stocks that I see fit will help me go get my goal of 50K this year plus. If I don't hit 50K just from unrealized gains, I'm going to make sure I put $20,000 of cash into my portfolio. I'm going to get this portfolio to 50K no matter what happens. Stock market goes down, okay, whatever. I'm going to make $50,000. I'm going to put it in the stock market, all right? That's why I'm determined to hit my goal this year. 50K, if not more. If I can get 50K faster, you best believe I'm going for the next baby of 100,000. If I can hit 50K by summer, oh my God, I'm gonna be thinking maybe I can hit 100,000. I'll be getting to my goal of a million plus even faster, cutting the time in half. Because I believe I can get to a million in maybe four or 5 years. 4 or 5 years, I can probably do it. But if it all depends how much money I can put into the stock market. All right. So I hope you guys have your goal set or what you want to do. My goal to get to 50K, lower my margin, stack cash just in case of a market correction or crash, so I can put that money in and take that advantage of those low prices in the stocks. Because imagine would you not get into Neo right now if it's at $25 or $20? Oh my God, if I see Neo at $20, I might just go to the bank and just borrow more money to put it in. You know what? Or I'm going to have to start working 80 hours per week. I'm going to have to get 2 jobs or 3 jobs. I'm going to have to find a way, man. Like I'm saying, if I see some stock is going down, you best believe I'm gonna figure out the way to make more money. Figure out the way. All right. All right. Hopefully, you guys are motivated to get your money up, baby. Get your money up. All right. We are trying to double our money this year, triple our money, whatever it is. We're gonna make it this year, no matter what it takes.